So the whole intention of this is to work quickly. So you'll start to learn the keyboard shortcuts rather than mouse gestures. So we know enter, we enter into the annotation mode, and there are keyboard shortcuts. So P is your pen tool, S for square, O key for circle, A for arrow, F for flashlight, for example. So if I put the circle on and I want it to be red, I can press R on the keyboard. If I want it to be yellow, if I want it to be green. So you'll just start learning the keys that you can use to toggle things. You can toggle the drop shadow with D. You can toggle the highlight with H. So very, very keyboard driven. T for text, for example, that every single time you toggle, you can say I want a yellow square with a highlight on, and then you can draw your shape. So very, very quick fire ways of learning some basic keyboard shortcuts just to toggle yourself around the various shapes and colors in order to stamp those clips down.